In terms of anchors suitable for the kayak, there are two methods commonly used that involve either drifting or fixed. Both methods are used with various fishing techniques, but probably the most commonly used one would be drifting. Kayaks are more affected by wind than anything else, and as a result require a drift chute, sea anchor or drogue to slow them down when on the drift. It's important to select the correct size drift chute, and those specifically designed for kayaks are best. If it's too small, the drift speed will be far too high and you won't be as efficient fishing. The drift chute also needs a float attached to the rear of it, as this keeps it up on the surface and working more efficiently. Without the float, the drift chute would simply sink and sit directly below the kayak. Using a drift chute for fishing techniques like soft baiting, micro jigging and inch cue fishing will improve your catch rate because of slowing down the drift, and also help you stay in touch with the lure. Fixed anchors are designed to keep the kayak attached so it stays in one location. The system starts with a containment device, which in this case is a winder. Not only does it provide a storage system for all the rope, but also a lock-off adjustable system for the length. 50 meters of rope covers depths of up to 20 meters, and 6 meters of chain attaches to the anchor. In rocky or reef areas, use a grapnel anchor with prongs that bend to release from foul ground. Small 700-gram folding anchors can also work on reef systems, with the larger size better suited to soft substrates like sand. Anchors are best rigged with a breakaway system. That way, if they get stuck on the bottom, it's more likely that you're going to get it dislodged. How this is done is by attaching the chain to the base of the anchor where the prongs are. Then the chain and top part of the anchor are attached using monofilament line. This line is around 4 kilos and fairly easy to break. Whatever you do, don't use cable ties to make the breakaway system, as when these snap, they are released into the environment. The best way is to tie the nylon so that when it snaps, it remains attached to either the chain or the anchor, and so when you bring it up, it can be cut off and thrown away properly. The mussel farm and mooring hook provides correct and safe attachment to ropes. Another optional extra that can make a difference when using an anchor is the anchor bungee. Designed to absorb wind gusts, heavy swells and choppy sea conditions, the anchor bungee will smooth your ride. Using the anchor bungee and float is ideal when combined with a quick release running anchor system.